Hi there, my name is David Lomax from Barracuda Networks, and today we're going to be talking about some of the MSP value propositions from Barracuda. In the previous presentations, you've seen me talking about the Barracuda Backup and the Barracuda NG Firewall. What I'm going to try and do now is get you to understand how they can work very well in a managed service provider environment. Let's start first of all with the backup. You saw that the traditional backup model we have can do one of two things, and we call it the BBS. So at one point, we've got our BBS backing up our client's network, whatever servers are on there, and they can then replicate that to the Barracuda storage cloud, let's call it. So for DR, all the data is replicated to that. That's a traditional method. End users or customers themselves can obviously replicate to further boxes. However, you've got some customers out there, or clients you may have, that don't necessarily want to use the cloud dependent on where it is. While the Barracuda's data center is in the UK and in Europe and in North America, they're all independent. Some people are just very cloud shy. What that means is you as a service provider can have the ability to say, right, okay, instead of using the Barracuda cloud, we'll call myself MSP1. I'm over here, I've got my own data center. In essence, it's my cloud. You can then buy a Barracuda backup box. Probably a larger solution than that. So our 1090, as I said, does up to 50 terabytes. And then you can then have multiple clients out here, all with their own BBS. And instead of them replicating the data to our cloud, it can replicate to your backup device. So then you can act as a managed service provider. Because all of these devices are managed centrally, if the customer themselves doesn't want to do any configuration of their servers on the back end or configuring anything, you have the ability, obviously, as the MSP provider, to go into each of these boxes, add data sources, select backup strategies of when it's going to get done, how it's going to get delivered, and the data it replicates or the times it replicates to you, and create an all-in-one solution for backup. We've got a lot of customers out there and partners right now doing this. It's been a very big solution for us right now.